This device can't be activated on Tello right now due to an unresolved account issue with your previous provider. Well, what the hell does that mean? A friend of mine has TracFone's cellular phone service. Unfortunately, TracFone apparently is making it extremely difficult for said friend to give them money, which is strange to me that a business would have a problem with customers giving them money. Anyway, that is neither here nor there. This video is about carrier unlocking, or more specifically, cell phone carrier locks. Carrier locks need to be banned under United States law. Now, I understand the carrier lock thing if you have a phone that's part of a contract and that contract subsidizes the phone. Maybe, just maybe, that would be acceptable if you have to pay out your contract. But what I'm talking about are prepaid phones. These are phones for which you have to purchase the entire phone outright before you can even get service. You don't get a $20 iPhone or a $20 Galaxy S1 million. You have to pay potentially hundreds of dollars if you want a nice phone for the phone up front. You don't get cheap phones. You get to pay the full price for the phone. So if you're paying the full price for the phone, why should carrier locking be allowed? Why should carrier locking be legal? The thing that set this off was that I was looking up low-cost CDMA cell phone providers. One of them, which is a Sprint MVNO, is called Tello. Well, I use Boost Mobile, and Boost Mobile is also a Sprint MVNO. So I punched my IMEI code from my phone into Tello, and it says, "This device can't be activated on Tello right now due to an unresolved account issue with your previous provider." Well, what the hell does that mean? It turns out that the unlocking policy for Boost Mobile requires that you have the phone active on your account for at least 12 months before you are able to unlock your phone. This is ridiculous since you are paying for the phone outright before you can ever start service, and the service is supposed to be a prepaid service. It is a no contract phone that has no obligation to stay attached to this service. It is absolutely unconscionable that Boost Mobile locks down the phone for a year after you pay for the phone at full price. You should be able to take your phone to any phone carrier that provides service in your area, period. It does not matter who it is or how long you've had the phone. If you've already paid up front to own the phone and it's not a subsidized phone that you have a contract for the subsidy over, why can't you port it to somewhere else? This is inexcusable. Had I known that this was a thing, I probably would not have stuck with Boost Mobile and instead moved to another provider and purchased one of their phones outright instead. I am very unhappy about this, and I'm making this video so that you can join me in being very unhappy about this. I hope this has been helpful. Thanks for listening. Have a wonderful night. I'm going to go and smash some SIM cards with a hammer now. Take care.